Hey there, fellow food lovers. Today, we're whipping up something truly special that's going to bring a little bit of Texas warmth right into your kitchen. Get ready for the most incredible Texas cinnamon butter you've ever tasted. It's pure comfort in a spread. This isn't just butter, it's an experience. Perfect for biscuits, toast, pancakes, or even a warm tortilla. Trust me, once you try this, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. You'll only need a few simple ingredients for this magic. First, 1 stick of unsalted butter, softened to room temperature. This is key for that smooth, creamy texture. Next, we'll add a 1/4 cup of powdered sugar for sweetness and a generous teaspoon of ground cinnamon. For that extra Texas flair, a tiny pinch of salt really makes the flavors sing. Now for the fun part. In a medium bowl, combine your softened butter, powdered sugar, cinnamon and that little pinch of salt. Make sure everything is in there. Using a hand mixer or a sturdy whisk, beat these ingredients together until they are light, fluffy and beautifully combined. Scrape down the sides of the bowl to ensure everything is incorporated. Keep going until it looks like a cloud. And there you have it. Your homemade Texas cinnamon butter is ready to elevate any meal. Spread it generously on warm cornbread, a fresh baked biscuit, or even a slice of apple pie. It's so easy, so delicious, and guaranteed to bring smiles around your table. Go ahead, give it a try, and let that comforting flavor transport you. Happy baking, y'all!